Life is unpredictable. Whether it's an unexpected car repair, medical emergency, or job loss, having an emergency fund can make all the difference. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to build an emergency fund that can save you from financial stress when life throws you a curveball. An emergency fund is a savings account meant to cover unexpected expenses. It acts as a financial cushion, providing you with a sense of security in uncertain times. Typically, experts recommend setting aside 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. But don't worry, even starting small can make a big difference over time. The first thing you need to do is figure out how much you should aim to save. Start by calculating your monthly living expenses. This includes necessities like rent or mortgage payments, groceries, transportation, utilities, and healthcare costs. Multiply that by 3 to 6 months, and that's your target for a full emergency fund. Now that you have your target, it's time to look at your monthly income and expenses. A good budget will help you identify areas where you can cut back. Maybe it's canceling a subscription you barely use, cooking more at home, or limiting how often you dine out. These small changes can free up money to put towards your emergency fund. One of the easiest ways to build your emergency fund is to automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account each month, even if it's just $50 or $100. This way, you're building your fund without having to think about it. Over time, you'll be surprised at how quickly it adds up. Anytime you receive extra income, whether it's a bonus, tax refund, or even cash gifts, consider allocating a portion of it to your emergency fund. This is an easy way to boost your savings without relying solely on your monthly income. Building an emergency fund takes time and patience. But the key is to stay consistent. Avoid the temptation to dip into your fund for non-emergencies like vacations or impulse purchases. Remember, this money is for true emergencies only. Keep your eye on the prize and watch your savings grow. Once you've built a solid emergency fund, review it periodically. As your life circumstances change, such as getting a raise or moving to a more expensive area, you may need to adjust your fund accordingly. It's also important to replenish your fund after using it, so it's always ready for the next emergency. Building an emergency fund may take time, but the peace of mind it provides is priceless. You'll be able to navigate life's unexpected challenges with confidence, knowing you have a financial safety net. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell, so you won't miss this kind of video.